I buy most of my stuff at Desert Industries. I wanted a musical theme, so I look for things that are musical. I love chopping up electric guitars, especially Guitar Heroes. So I bought a Guitar Hero from the secondhand store.
Ooh.
That's what it looks like before it gets cut up and painted. Yeah, and it has all these holes in it, and I don't even know what this stuff is, but I don't care.
So you have to take all the electrical stuff off the back before you chop it down too, huh?
Yeah, and I do, and I usually take this piece off, I unscrew it all, and then I use it for something else, or I leave it on and I use it with the piece of art I made. Yeah, so inside is all this stuff, and I use this too. I haven't taken this completely apart, so I'd have to take it apart before I cut it.
Okay.
Can't. Oh, I won't be able to see very well. On the black.
You can see it.
I can see it because it's shiny, but it's hard to see, so I have to put my glasses on, and they're over here. Yeah, so since you wanted me to cut this so you can see it, and you think it's so cool, I don't, but a funny thing about cutting plastic with this machine is it melts. It melts the plastic and seals it behind it. So I'm not sure what it will do. Actually, I have to cut these off first. So how am I going to do this?
Oh, so it can slide through?
Yeah, I need a line on this side instead. Because look. And then it's not even flat. So I probably need to cut these off.
Whoa, that takes a lot of work, huh? Just to do one little cut.
So I probably need to cut these.
Well, are these level with each other, these three?
They are, but it's level? Like, that's what it would happen. So I just need to, I don't know how I'm going to do this. The other thing too, on this side, on this side, these things are poking up too. So it's just going to make a lot of noise. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I have to back up. See, it's already melted. See, it melted.
Did it fuse back together?
Yeah. Ah, there. Yeah, it melts it because it's plastic. Well, there you go.
Let me see those two sides.
It's just plastic. Oh, look. So I'll take these and I'll just run them on my, I can either do that by hand or turn it on and just smooth them out.
That's a good use for Guitar Heroes.
That's a good use for Guitar Heroes. Awesome use. Guitar Hero, Guitar Hero, Guitar Hero, Guitar Hero, all of that. So this is another Guitar Hero I bought, and this side goes there, and this other half is this half right there. And this one, I can cut this off, but
You don't know what size you would want to use them for.
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. You know, it can even actually be like the body of a girl. And then her head's out here, like these are her shoulders and these are her hips. And I mean, there are a lot of uses like this. But something like that, because I love taking video game things apart because I hate video games. Anyway, so this neck is the upside down part of this neck. So I just cut it in half. And then this back side
It's over there.
is right there. And this front side is right here. And then this neck is this back piece. Yeah, so that's how that goes. This is the back piece of the neck. The whole thing. And yeah, upside down. So I was able to use the whole neck on these two pieces. I used half of this and half of this and then this whole piece. So I was being very conservative. Yeah. Thanks for watching.